Hello, Jeff Meredith here, talking to you today about economic development incentives. Today's program is going to be discussing industrial revenue bonds, commonly known as Chapter 100 financing in the state of Missouri. With Chapter 100 financing, this is a program used for large scale projects, typically in the industrial or manufacturing areas of business. The project should be a minimum of a $5 million investment between real estate and equipment in order to justify the expenses of the legal fees to set up the bonds as well as the issuance thereof. In a typical setting, a business purchases equipment directly and then has to pay sales tax on that up front as well as the property taxes to carry that equipment and real estate for the future. However, using industrial revenue bonds, the equipment is effectively purchased by the city government, who then does not have to pay sales tax, and it is owned by the city government as well, and then that ownership is guaranteed by the bonds that are issued based upon the credit worthiness of the business. By doing this, it prevents the property taxes on both real estate and any personal property purchased for a maximum of 10 years. In order to qualify for this program, a minimum of 50 jobs have to be either retained or created, and those jobs must be an above average wage. The reason why you might use this program is it helps guarantee these large businesses will either come to or stay in your community. As an example, once an industry has made a $5 million capital investment in your town, it is unlikely that they're going to be pulling those jobs or redirecting them to a different facility. However, a community that is not willing to take advantage of this program or at least have the discussion with that prospect or expansion plan, then it can help ensure that you can lose those jobs and send them somewhere else. So industrial revenue bonds does have a large impact on the taxes for your local organizations, but it does have a long-term effect of helping secure a lot of high-paying jobs for your town. See you soon.